We are living in a world of unprecedented scarcity of natural resources. Poverty, global warming and malnutrition are and remain important themes. And it's clear that something needs to change. I believe that Lamb Weston has the obligation and the ability to reduce the pressure on our planet and the food system. And that is what we are working on every day. We do this, among other things, by working with our growers to make cultivation more sustainable. Here, saving water and energy in our factories is a daily focus, as is smart management and reduction of our waste streams, and making our products healthier. Our collaboration with Wiskerke Onions is a great example for the region, and it motivates us to work together with other local parties to see how we can help each other to make the region and the world more sustainable. Let's all do our part. I'm sure there's a lot that can be done.